Meaning of gaiety.
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 Gaiety. The word gaiety refers to a state of lightheartedness, merriment, and cheerfulness. It is often associated with joyous occasions, celebrations, and festivities. The feeling of gaiety is characterized by feelings of happiness, delight, and amusement. People in a state of gaiety may express themselves through laughter, dancing, singing, or other forms of joyful expression. This feeling can be infectious and bring people together in a spirit of camaraderie and unity. Overall, gaiety is a positive, uplifting emotion that can add a sense of vibrancy and energy to life's experiences.